Anak ni na Ricardo Cepeda at Snooki Serna, nagpahayag na din ng kanyang statement sa pagkakaaresto ng ama. Nagsalita na rin ang anak ni na Ricardo Cepeda at dating asawang si Snooki Serna, kaugnay ng syndicated staffa na kinasasangkutan ni Ricardo. Sa kanyang social media account, ipinagtanggol ni Sachi Go ang amang si Ricardo at pinanindigan na inosente ito. Ayon kay Sachi, maling maparatangan ng ama dahil brand ambassador lamang umano ito at walang kinalaman sa pagpapatakbo ng kumpanya. Just posting now because there's a lot of misinformation going around. Have not spoken as there are many legal elements to consider, but the amount of problematic assumption requires some clarity. But the bottom line is, my dad, Ricardo Cepeda Go, has been wrongfully accused and yet is being detained. The case is against a company that merely hired him as a brand ambassador. This role, as anyone in advertising would be aware of, is merely a title that is given to celebrity endorsers and influencers. This role has no connection to the inner workings of any business, most especially when it comes to handling the finances and partnerships of said company. While I can't speak on too many details on this case, it's cut and dry that my father has nothing to do with the accusations. The only reason he is being tied to it is because of a surface-level brand deal. This suit is like assuming every influencer you see is personally responsible for the brands that they are promoting. I'm hoping this provides at least some much-needed clarity. It's important that our justice system upholds the truth, and the truth is that my father is innocent. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell para ma-update kayo sa sunod na showbiz news.